Killer hacks, guys. Killer Milwaukee hacks. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. Subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, guys. A big shout out to Deal Team 6 members. All the Deal Team 6 members that posted these. Special to Ryan. He's been posting a lot of these. Alright, so on to the first one. We got the Hatchet. This is an 8-inch. 18. A lot of these are from the a special buy of the day. You got the 18-volt lithium brushless electric battery, chainsaw hatchet, 6 amp hour battery. Now this is hackable. This is a killer deal as it is, but you can select a free gift with purchase. Obviously $179. Apple to cart. Battery for $109. Killer deal, and the battery and the hatchet $169. So that's a really good deal on that one. Definitely check that one out. All right. If we could go back. All right. So on to the next one. All right. So on to the next one. We got the M18 18-volt, a quarter of a horsepower lithium cordless transfer pump tool. A lot of you been waiting for this one. So this is the transfer pump, especially for a hack. $229. Free gift with purchase. You're gonna select the battery. Apple to the cart. So $93 for the battery. Not the best deal, but check this out. $135. Killer deal on that one, guys. I'm trying to go back here. It took me out. Alright, so the next one down is the installation driver. Got the brushless 4-in-1 installation driver kit with the four heads. So buy one, get one free. So this one, you get the soldering iron tool for $99. You can select the ratchet for $149, 3/8 ratchet. The cordless 3/8 right angle drill for $99. The oscillating tool for $99. Universal repair floodlights, USB charging, $79. Obviously, if you want the tool, you're going to select the most expensive one. Apple to the cart. And then you're going to see the price. $85 for the ratchet and $113. Killer deal on that one, guys. That's one of the lowest I've seen. I haven't seen this for a while. So, jump on it as soon as you can. I'm trying to go back to the... Alright, the next one down is a fuel surge. Quarter-inch hex impact driver, 2 amp hour batteries. This is hackable, $179. Same thing. You're going to select the Apple to cart. It's not doing it because I have stuff. Actually, it is. No, it's not. It's going to delete everything from the cart.